Hi everyone, my name is Anna. Today I'm presenting from my quarantine room. Let's discuss 3 things that you definitely didn't know about the Olympic Games. Number 1. During the first games in 1893 in Athens, Greece, the winners were not actually awarded the traditional gold medals. Instead, they were presented with an olive branch, a traditional award from the ancient times, with a silver medal depicting Zeus and the goddess Nike as a symbol of victory. The second and third place winners didn't receive anything. And only in 1904, during the Olympic Games in St. Louis, Missouri, the winners were awarded the actual gold medals, followed by silver and bronze. Number 2. The last gold medal made from the actual gold was only awarded in 1912. It might be comforting for the runner-up athletes to know that there's not much difference between the silver and gold medal in terms of its components. Nowadays, the medals consist mainly of 93% of silver, 6% of copper, and only of 6 grams of gold. Number 3. In the past, the Olympic Games could last for months, starting in the spring and ending in the fall. Does 17 days of competition in Brazil seem too much for you? This is nothing in comparison to the Olympic Games in London in 1908, which lasted for 188 days, longer than half a year. Although the official opening took place on the 13th of July, the Olympics in 1908 actually began with a tennis competition on the 27th of April and ended with hockey on the 31st of October. Similarly, the Olympics in Paris in 1900 lasted more than 5 months, as well as in Antwerp in 1920 and in St. Louis in 1904. Since I can't go anywhere, watching and finding out more about the Olympics became one of my hobbies during the quarantine. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Hi, this is Anna and welcome to Hong Kong Street Series. In this episode, I'm taking you to a funky Po Hing Fong area. Let's explore it. Po Hing Fong refers to the area found above Shangwan and consists of the streets of Po Hing Fong and Tai Ping Shan, along with the Blake Garden and its surrounding areas. It is just a few minutes away from the districts of Soho and Noho, known for their contemporary dining, drinking, and socializing scenes. In the recent years, this area has been transformed into a new funky neighborhood, and it has been nicknamed Poho. As more artists and interesting shops, such as bohemian cafes, boutiques, and design studios have moved in. Like its neighbors, Soho and Noho, Poho is undergoing gentrification, that is a process of upmarket renovation. Yet, it still has a real sense of community, retaining its quiet and charming character. The lush greenery of Blake Garden and its close proximity to Hollywood Road offers a peaceful escape from the frenetic pace of the Central. There is so much history in this area. For example, the small temple in the Poho area, Quang Phuc Ancestral Hall, was built in 1851. It was meant as a place to put the spirit tablets for deceased Chinese. It was also the hospital for Chinese in the 19th century until sanitation issues became a problem, leading to the opening of the Tung Wah Hospital. Continuing with the hospital theme, this historic building of the Old Pathological Institute is the Hong Kong Museum of Medical Sciences. It records the history of medicine and public hospitals in Hong Kong. The museum is free to visit and it's worth a browse to just see the historic building itself. We have just finished our journey in the funky part of Pa Heng Fong. This area is known to be a home for different artworks, and they range from different geometric shapes to life-size paintings. They're all scattered around the block, just right here, so Instagrammable. Just look at this wall with clean lines and bright colors. Indeed, this area is very popular for street photography and portraits. Let me take a selfie.